Hi guys, good day, it's me Noel from Drift Oragon. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we're going to unbox this product from SkyRC, the Cheetah combo. This contains the 8.5T brushless sensored motor and ESC with a programming card. This one is requested by a friend to solder the battery connector. So I decided to create an unboxing video for this one. So shout out to you, Stephen. Thank you for the opportunity to do an unboxing video. So let's start. Okay, there you go. We saw what's inside the box. Now we're going to solder these two wires for the positive and negative, but we need a banana connector. So first we'll have to unsolder these two, this one, and then we're going to recycle this banana plug for the new ESC. Okay, so let me do that first. Okay, there you go. I've already attached the ESC fan. Now we're going to attach these wires to the motor, and these two for the battery, and this one for our receiver. So let's do that. First we'll have to add a pinion on our motor. You could see it running. Okay, so there you go. We already attached this one. So let's just follow the color coding: orange for orange, yellow for yellow, blue for blue, and there you go. And since this one is a brushless sensored motor and ESC, we'll have to attach the sensor wire. So add this one, sensor wire for the ESC, and then the other end for the motor. Okay, there you go. We already have attached it. Then we are ready to power it up. So we just have to attach this to our battery. But first, let's attach this one to our receiver. So I just borrowed this receiver from my old kit. Okay, it's already there. And then here I'm using a Sunpadow 600 milliampere 2S2P Lipo battery. I got this one from South RC Hobbies. Thank you, South RC Hobbies. Okay, red for red, and then black for black. There you go. So we are ready to power it up, but first we'll have to calibrate this one since it's the first time we are going to run it. So I'll power up my transmitter. Okay, and then when I press the button for at least 3 seconds, it's going to beep continuously, and that's the time we are ready for calibration. Okay, there you go. It's waiting for our calibration command. So the things that we have to calibrate are forward, neutral, and then reverse. So this one is a SkyRC Cheetah. So the order of calibration is forward, neutral, and then reverse. So let's go first with the forward, and then we'll press it all the way down. Then once I press the power button, it will beep again once. Okay, there you go. The forward is already been calibrated. Then let's move to neutral. So we are in the neutral, and then I have to press the power button again once, and then it will beep twice. There you go, the neutral is been calibrated. Then the last step is for the reverse. So I will just press the reverse all the way up, and then we'll press the power button again, and it will beep 3 times. Okay, there you go, it's already been calibrated and it's ready to use. So let's try. There you go, it's running. Reverse. Forward. Brake. There you go. Let's try to program this. So I'll just have to turn it off. So this one is the programming card. This is the wire that we're going to connect to the ESC for the programming. So let's connect this one. There you go. So we have a small S here. This is for the signal, and then this wire here is going to be the signal wire. So let's remove this small rubber here. It's a small rubber here protecting the port. So there you go. So inside the ESC, if you could actually see it, there's also an S there. So that would be our signal wire. So just have to pair it with our signal wire from the programming card. Okay, there you go. So the yellow wire is the signal from the programming card, and then the signal on the ESC. So it's ready to start. So I'll just power it up. So there you go. We can see now the pre-selected settings. So in here, the cutoff voltage is auto. Let's put it to 6 volts. Okay, so to navigate. So okay, there you go. It's 6 volts. Let's just move it back to auto, and then we just select all the option for. Okay. Select it back to auto. Okay, so 3.2. So we'll leave it there. 3.2 volts for the cell cutoff. Drag brake, we'll remove the drag brake. Right now it's 10%, so we'll put it to 0. 25. 30, then 0. Okay, it's 0. Brake strength, we'll leave it at the 100%. Punch, let's give it at around 30. So it's here at the punch strength. Leave it on the 30, 25, 30. And then that band, we'll move it to small. Okay, there you go. Reverse type, this is a proportional with reverse. Okay, I will just leave it here. For the motor timing, we'll set it at 25. Then this one is 15, 20, 25. Okay, I think that's all. And we are good. Okay, so we already programmed it. Let's try it again. There you go. It's already working, so I think we are already done here. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you like this video and you find it informative, please like the video and then subscribe to my channel. Leave some comment if you have any suggestion or anything that you'd like to do for improvement. So yeah, I think that's all. Thank you very much and God bless.